for another video. This video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I got this Apple Watch from Best Buy Canada. I'll have the Canadian link and the US link down below in the description if you want to check these out. I have the specs there as well. And then then stay tuned for an accessories video coming soon. Gonna be ordering some gear probably next week as I'm filming this. It's Friday, the 22nd. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you've used the Apple Watch. Yeah, let's talk about the specs of the Apple Watch. Alrighty, so the Apple Watch for this version is the 42mm space gray aluminum Series 3, and that'll run you $290 Canadian plus tax, so less than $300 for an Apple Watch, which is pretty good. I think the 38mm, so the smaller screen, is $250, so even cheaper. Yeah, and let's talk about the specs. So it's got a built-in GPS, optical heart sensor, digital crown for navigation. It's the S3 chip with dual-core processor. It's got an accelerometer and a gyroscope. It's swim-proof. When this came out, it came with watchOS 5. It's up to the latest watchOS, I believe, now. Advanced features for runners like cadence and pace alerts. It's got walkie-talkie. You can do phone calls and send messages as well, and use Siri in all new ways. And like I said, it's got an aluminum case. Let's unbox this Apple Watch. Looks like 42mm screen. You got the digital crown and the side button on the right side if you're looking at it, as you can see there. And then on the back, obviously you have the strap attached, and it says Apple Watch Series 3 42mm aluminum with the heart rate sensor and all the other sensors on the back there. And then the band you just click on with the pin there, and then slide the excess through the just the loop, or whatever you want to call it. Then you got the speakers on there, as well as the microphones for phone calls and Siri as well, and dictating text messages. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this on and get it set up, and then I'll hop back in with some first impressions and final thoughts. Let's keep it moving. Alrighty, so I just spent the last like 20 minutes or so getting my Apple Watch all set up. Pretty cool interface, very similar to my original Apple Watch, which I think I have some content on my YouTube channel with that watch, so check that out for sure. Yeah, really great design so far. Interface, like I said, is really nice. Buttons are pretty cool. Got the digital crown. See it right there. Navigate through. Control center right there. And then you swipe over to switch watch faces, just like that. Nice and simple. Yeah, really cool so far, pretty fast, definitely faster than my original Apple Watch. I had the Series 1 or Series 0 back in I think I sold it in 2017, I forget, but it's been a few years, so I'm definitely excited to check this out and use it, and stay tuned for a review. Let's finish up this video. Alrighty, so yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought, and if you've tried the Apple Watch in the past, or if you use one today, and let me know which one. What are some of your favorite accessories as well? Let me know. And yeah, I'll have the Apple Watch link down below, as well as any previous content that I've done with my original Apple Watch. I think I have some, but I'll double check. But if it's there, it'll be down below. Yeah, really cool unboxing experience as well. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.